It's been exactly 1 year since the Redmi Note 14 5G hit the shelves. At launch, it was a solid contender, but in 2026, the game has changed with the Redmi Note 15 series now out, and a massive price drop on this model is the Redmi Note 14, the ultimate budget. When the launch, you were looking at the roughly 21,999 for the base vibrant. Fast forward today, and you can easily find this under 15,500 on Flipkart or Amazon during sales. We are talking about a 30% price cut, and for the price you are now competing with budget phones and that usually have LCD screens and much weaker cameras. And its Dimensity is the 7025 Ultra, holding up surprisingly well thanks to the HyperOS 1.5 update. Some of those early launch shutters have been smoothed out. And here friends, I'm just unboxing the mobile phone. Under the box we got here mini box, and there we got the suitcase, this black, the phone cover, and here we got the manual guide. Let's keep this on the side, and you will get also the pin ejector, but I have kept on the side. Here we got the mobile phone. It's been already 1 year. After 1 year, just reviewing this mobile phone, and I will do even the charging test and battery drainage. You can watch on my channel. Here the adapter, we got the 45 watt, and this is the cable wire. And let's look at its specification and features of Redmi Note 14 5G. First thing you will notice is the slim at 7.99 mm. It feels surprisingly premium, but the real star is the display. We are looking at a 6.67-inch AMOLED with a 120Hz refresh rate, and the brightness hits the 2100 nits peak brightness. You could use this in the desert and still read your text. And its durability, the Gorilla Glass 5 on the front and an IP64 rating. It's not a diver, but it will handle a rainy walk home. And the biometrics, the fingerprint sensor in the base module, it's snappy and feels much more modern than the slide mountain fingerprint. The performance on Redmi Note 14 5G, its Dimensity is the 7025 Ultra, and surprisingly well thanks to the HyperOS 1.5 update. Some of those early launch shutters have been smoothed out, and it's scrolling, as I have told you, it's the 120Hz refresh rate. And about the gaming, it's not a flagship, but for Minecraft or Brawl Stars it's perfect. However, if you are trying to play the latest 2026 games like Call of Duty, Free Fire, and etc., you will start to see it sweat on medium settings. And about the display, friends, it's AMOLED display. It's better than most anything else in the new category. In most rivals are still capping at 100 nits. Now let's look at the camera. The camera setup has a little bit shift. We moved to a 50 megapixel Sony LYT 600 main camera sensor with the OIS optical image stabilization, and you will get even the Ultra HD camera and your night vision portrait mode. In daytime, photos are sharp with great dynamic range. In low light, the f1.5 aperture pulls in a lot of light. It's not flagship level, but for under 20,000 it's impressive. And for the selfies, the 2 megapixel front camera that actually keeps skin tones looking natural. And about the battery, after a year of daily charging, my unit still holds about 85 to 90% health. I'm still getting a full day of use easily. The 45 watt charging feels a bit standard now compared to the 100 watt beast, but an hour for a full charge is still a very livable. So friends, here this is the end of the video. If your budget is strictly under 16,000, buy the Redmi Note 14 5G. You are getting a pro level screen OIS camera for a basic level price, but if you care about 4K video or having the latest Android for the next 3 years, save up a little more for the Note 15. So friends, this is the budget king of 2026. Let me know in the comment. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech videos. Catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.